where it's a flower design, I am going to take it. It's the other shape again. We are going to make another one. Let's have a design there. Take another shape to use and apply there. Now we have to use it. So we will explore the more options to get these designs here. Using the shapes and the paint over it. So we are finding the designs here. I will try the shapes. There we are. Make an eraser tool to use the design.